Hi guys, today I am reviewing the 2022 Hyundai i20 NLine top of the line DCT N8 variant. So this is the blue color car, you can see. So this is how the car looks from the front side. So this is the all new black grille. You can see you got the NLine badge here. And coming to the headlights, you can see you have got the projector setup headlight with the cornering light and the turn indicator and the LED DRL also here. And you have also got the projector fog light in the bumper. So this is the dual tone bumper. You can see you have got black with the red insert here. And coming to the wheel size, so this is the diamond cut alloy wheel, that's 16-inch wheel. You can see 195 by 55 by R 16-inch wheel here. You can also see the brake caliber is red painted, so which gives a very sporty appearance to this car while driving it. So this is how the car looks from the side angle, from the side view you can see. So you got the N badge here also, and the all black ORVM with the LED turn indicator, and this has got pada lamp also here. All four disc brakes you can see. So rear wheel has also got disc brake here you can see, but it is not red painted. It is a normal silver color brake caliper there. So this is how the car looks from the back side. You can see. See, you have got the all LED Z-shaped tail lights, and one chrome strip is running between these two tail lights. Maybe in the next variant they will do the connecting LED tail light like in the Venue. So you got i20 badge and the NLine badge, and you can see the exhaust, dual exhaust here for the i20 NLine, and the reverse parking camera is there here. And on the rear windshield you have got the rear wiper, defogger, high mounted LED stop lamp, and the shark fin antenna. So coming to the boot here, got the very decent sized boot for this car, very spacious boot. And you have got the normal steel wheel here, so spare is not a alloy wheel. And this car has got Bose premium speakers, and Bose woofer is also there in the boot here, you can see. So this is that 1 liter turbo GDI engine of the Hyundai NLine. You can see it is vibrating a lot because it is the NLine. It has got that much of the power actually. So coming to the interior, so this is how the cabin looks from the outside. So all black cabin here with the red inserts here and there on the AC vent, on the door handle here, on the leather seats, leather stitching on the red inserts are also there. So let's get into the car and I will show you the interior. So this is the steering wheel of the i20 NLine, top of the line N8 variant. So as you can see, you have also got the paddle shifters here for increasing and decreasing the gear. And on the left side, you have the steering mounted control here for controlling the media and Bluetooth calls, for answering the call and ending the call. On the right side, you have got the buttons for controlling the MID to reset the trip meters, fuel economy meters, like that. And also you have got the cruise control here. So this is a nicely leather wrapped steering wheel. You can also see the N badge here on the all blue, light blue digital cluster. So it shows some of the data like trip meters, average fuel economy, then distance to empty, and some of the accumulated info while you are driving, and at the end of the trip also. So it also shows which gear you are in, like that. And also you have got automatic headlights, and wipers are not automatic here. So it is a normal wipers. So coming to the touchscreen here, this is the 10-inch touchscreen system which you are getting in the top of the line N8 i20 NLine. So this has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, like that. So next, glove box is on the decent size. You have got a very decent sized glove box. So the cooling function is also there. You can see it here. So this is the auto dimming IRVM, so which you are getting only in the NLine variant, that is the NLine N8 variant, top of the line variant. So then this is the front cabin light, you can see, with the cooling glass holder or like that. On the passenger side sun visor, you are getting the mirror. On the driver side sun visor, there is no mirror. There is a ticket holder here, and this has got sunroof also. And all 4 collapsible grab handles for all the passengers except the driver. And this is the all black cabin, so there is no other color like beige or white combination. You have got some red inserts here and there in the AC vent, and this controlling AC controlling knob, and on the door handle here you have got some red inserts. Apart from that, you have also got the leather seats here with the red inserts and the red stitching. On the center console, you can see it here. You have got the one touch automatic climate control, and below that you have USB port 120 volts charging socket here, 12 volts charging socket, and you have the wireless charging pad here, so that also with the cooling function. And this is the DCT variant I told you. So this is the fully automatic DCT. Now the parking, reverse and neutral, and this is for the manual if in case you want to shift the gear into manual. And in the center console you have 2 cup holders here, and the parking brake, and armrest is also there. Underneath the armrest you have got some space, so this is the adjustable armrest. So that's it in the front cabin. Let's go into the rear cabin. So this is the rear cabin. It is very spacious here, so 3 people can sit easily here. And on the rear side you also got the rear AC vents, you can see, and one USB type A is there for charging the mobile or any other accessories. You can also keep your mobile here. So rear seat armrest is also there, and rear seat headrests are also there, adjustable headrests, both on the front and rear. You have got the adjustable headrests. So this is how the cabin looks from the rear seat. You can see very luxurious cabin. You can feel the premiumness by just looking at it. So it looks very premium here. So friends, let's take a test drive of this Hyundai i20 NLine top of the line N8 DCT variant. So there is a push start button here. So I'm holding the brake and pressing the button there. So the car is started. So currently it is in the park mode. So I'm going to put it into the drive mode. So we'll see the throttle response, how is the pickup, everything. Oh my god, this has got so much amount of the power, and gears change quickly also. You don't even notice that how the gears are changing. Very fun to drive car. Very smooth also. So it has got a very good low end torque, very powerful, and the top of the line torque is also very good. As you can see, I'm going at like 130 km/h easily here. Very stable on the highway. Car feels planted to the road. And steering wise, very strong. So there is no lightweight steering as such. It weighs decently, so you're getting that confidence while driving. So it is telling me to reduce the speed. Oh my god, it just pushes and pushes. Like you see, I'm going at 140 km/h easily. At 150 now, you can see very easily. It is very fun to drive sports car. You don't even check the fuel economy while driving this car. It is showing like 7.7 km/L with the aggressive acceleration. I'm doing it here. Very much fun to drive. The car feels really stable at high speeds, like 150 also. I'm just showing it to you right now. So there is no body roll, nothing like that. Car feels planted to the road, so you're getting that confidence at the high speeds to drive this vehicle. Suspension is on the firmer side, but it absorbs the shocks very well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And if you are planning to buy the inline variant of the i20, so I will leave the links in the description below for the sales inquiry or on-road price like this. So I would like to thank the KJ Hyundai Davangere for sponsoring the vehicle for a quick test drive and review. So this is the KJ Hyundai Davangere. So thank you guys for watching the video.